Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to dispute a transaction in Digit. If you notice a transaction in your Digit account seems incorrect or unauthorized, it's important to act quickly to dispute it and protect your funds. First, review the transaction details carefully in the Digit app or the web dashboard to ensure that it's actually an error or fraudulent charge. Sometimes transactions may appear under unfamiliar names but are in fact legitimate. So to start the dispute, all you got to do is go to the transactions or activity section. There, select the transaction in question. Now look for an option like report an issue or dispute transaction. Digit will guide you through providing details about why you believe the transaction is wrong. Now, after submitting your dispute, Digit support team will investigate the charge. They may contact your linked bank or financial institution for verification and resolution. So keep an eye on your notifications or emails for updates on the dispute status. Now, while Digit helps to manage your savings, disputes involving actual bank or credit card transactions might also require you to contact your bank directly for additional support. Always report suspicious transactions as soon as possible to minimize potential losses. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped, then be sure to subscribe for more Digit tutorials and tips, and like the video, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.